Nandito na ang biggest flex ng telebisyon.
Ang pinakabagong tagisan ng bilis, lakas at liksi.
Palakasan na ng utak, puso at katawan.
Oras na!
Game na?
Ito ang Sports Time.
Welcome back to Sports Time! Guys, nandito na tayo sa Wild Card edition of our Elimination Round. Grabe guys, everything that came up to this. But syempre pag wild card, ito yung mga participants who didn't quite make the cut but have another chance to get into our semifinals.
Oo nga, to explain the wild card a little, Yani, these contestants are the ranked 11 to 15 who didn't quite make the cut, syempre. Pero ngayon, may chance sila, may one more chance sila para mag-wild ang round nila. So syempre, makita natin kung paano nila iba yung strategy nila, kung ano yung training na ginawa nila, at kung may improvement nga ba sa time na gagawin nila dito sa Sports Time, of course.
Tama guys, in the wild card edition, they are still going to undergo the same obstacle course, pero time yung labanan natin for today. And of course, yung experience nila in the elimination round. So that will be the game changer for our wild card. And speaking of wild card, we're expecting our 5 participants to leave it all on the course for today. And I'm talking about Eman, Yulo, Ram, Ravi, and Jazzy. Jazzy is our lone girl competing in today's wild card edition.
Oo nga, Yani. Ako, I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen in this episode, the wild card edition. Kaya before we begin, of course, we will need to hear some expert and wise words from, of course, Dean Kiko.
Okay, salamat Paeng and Yani. And we're back with a brand new episode. I am once again joined by UPCHK Associate Dean, Prof. Bert Madrigal. Prof. Bert, would you like to say hello?
Magandang araw po sa lahat na nanonood ng ating Sports Time.
So, Sir Bert, very exciting ating episode ngayon. Kasi itong episode natin ngayon ay yung tinatawag nating wild card episode. So, ang ibig sabihin ng wild card episode, dahil papunta na tayo sa semifinal phases ng ating reality obstacle course relay game, ay ine-establish na natin yung mga lahat na makakapasok sa semifinals and eventually finals. Pero itong wildcard phase, ang ginawa natin ay kinuha natin lahat ng mga may pinakamabibilis na times sa previous episode na hindi nanalo. Kasi yung mga naka-allocate na sa eventual semifinal episodes natin ay yun lamang lahat ng episode winners.
So,
And the episode winners are the ones who posted the fastest times.
Binibigyan natin ng second chance.
Tama. So, meron tayong pathway para yung second best ay magkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapasok sa semifinals.
Maganda ang sistema.
Correct. So, having said that, pakinggan na natin ang pagpakilala ni Yani sa ating first contestant.
Sasabak sa ating wildcard stage ay none other than from the baseball team. Ayan, Eman, inakala mo ba na ikaw magiging first placer sa wildcard stage na ito?
Hindi po, kasi po bibilis din po nung mga nakalaban ko nung first round po eh.
So, medyo surprise to para sa'yo.
Opo.
Ano naman iibahin mo para mas mabilis ka sa resulta na yun, para maging semifinalist ka?
Ganun pa din po, kaso mas alam ko na po yung mga gagawin.
Handa ka na ba, Eman, para sa wildcard stage?
Handang-handa na po.
Good luck!
Okay, so we're back. Salamat, Yani, sa pagpapakilala sa ating first contestant. And this is Eman from the UP Baseball Team.
Okay, sabi ni Eman kanina, alam na rin yung gagawin niya. No? Kasi pangalawang beses na niya.
Correct? So we would see if he would be posting a faster time than his initial attempt. Alam niya na nga yung gagawin and struggling pa rin siya sa kanyang ginagawa. Sir Bert.
Hindi kasi naman pwedeng mag-gain ka kagad ng strength.
Correct.
Period of
And dito nakikita natin yung seeming difficulty niya sa mga weight pulling obstacle. No? Yung kanyang body weight na kailangang hilain dahil medyo may kabigatan siya, it works to his disadvantage.
hinahanap natin ngayon ay yung transition time kung yung transition ba from one area to another area ay mas-shorten niya yung time.
And dapat they would have learned this by now. Going to the wild card phase. No? So, walang problema masyado sa alternating tires. Ngunit nakikita natin yung pagbagal ng kanyang speed.
Habang tumatagal yung event ay napapahagod din siya.
Mukhang suspect yung kanyang cardiovascular endurance, Sir Bert.
Mukhang naubos siya din sa monkey bars at saka pull-ups.
Okay, traversing the balance beam and running, going to the last.
Okay, tingnan natin yung huling event.
So pulling himself in the Palo Sebo bar is Eman from the UP baseball team.
Parang squirrel makot. Okay, so natapos na ni Emma ang kanyang event. Tingnan natin ang kanyang time.
Okay, let's hear the interview of Paeng kay Eman.
O Eman, kamusta?
Nakakapagod po.
Nakakapagod pa rin, syempre. Pero, ngayon na second time mo na. Second chance mo na ulit. Sa tingin mo ba, mas mabilis siya sa first time mo?
Hindi po kasi po, pagod na po eh.
Pagod ka na. Pero sige, Eman, I hope your time holds well. Thank you again for trying and best of luck.
Thank you, Paeng, sa iyong panayam kay Eman. And Sir Bert, the official time of Eman in that attempt is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So with that, we'll go next and hear it from Yani para sa pagpapakilala ng ating second contestant para sa ating wildcard round.
Ito na ang next na magpapakitang gilas. Siyempre kasama ko ngayon si Yulo. Hi Yulo.
Hello.
Okay Yulo, what do you want to improve from your first time doing the obstacle course para mas mabilis ka sa wildcard edition na ito?
I think less posing. That's one. Less posing for sure. That's what I want to improve.
Okay, great. Yan yung priority mo.
Yes, no more posing this round. Okay, I'll take it seriously this time.
So handang-handa ka na ba for our wildcard edition?
Of course, always ready.
Good luck!
Salamat, Yani, para sa pagpapakilala ng ating second participant. And this is no other than Yulo from the UP fencing team. So Sir Bert, makikita natin ang performance ni Yulo dito sa wildcard round.
Sa interview niya, dito sinabi niya na less posing. So, tingnan
So,
natin kung mas
babawasan niya
seryoso
ng
siya.
counting showmanship yung kanyang attempt. No? True enough, problem-free siya sa monkey bars niya.
Mas formal yung mukha niya, yung kanya.
Mga nakikita natin yung seriousness sa attempt na ngayon. Ano?
Makita natin merong konting exhibition, sumalon siya papuntang chin-up bars, pero seryoso. Ayun si
Walang problema sa mga weightlifting and body weight pulling machines. Going to the transition, papunta sa ating abdominal crunches. Trouble free, walang problema si Yulo. Okay, sa piko, mabilis ang kanyang moves. Transitioning to the alternating tires. Okay then.
natin dito kasi maraming bumabagal sa station na to. Okay, let's see kung mabibilisan niya.
But so far, no, mukhang mabilis ang kanyang attempt sa bawat obstacles na kanyang dinadaanan. So si Yulo ay, unfortunately, may violation siya doon. Nahulog siya sa balance beam natin.
Probably malaking violation ito para kay Yulo. Price yata siya nahulog kung sa balance beam. See.
Walang problema sa Palo Seco tubuhan. Bodyweight.
Tama.
There we go.
Hindi na masyado siya na-space.
A very exhausted Yulo from the fencing team. Pakinggan natin ang maiksing interview ni Paeng kay Yulo from the UP fencing.
How was it a second time around?
It doesn't get easier.
Doesn't get easier.
But no posing this time, so I think I did better, way better.
Really? Let's say, what areas do you think you had a big improvement on?
First, monkey bars, no posing there. Pull-ups, I did a little, but not much. Sit-ups, the sit-ups. I was posing every after rep the first time around. Now I think I did better, way better this round.
Yeah, I also think you did way better. Again, thank you, and I hope time is in your favor.
I hope so. Thank you.
True enough, tulad ng sabi ni Yulo, so far, siya ang may fastest time para dito sa ating wildcard round, and he posted 1 minute 41 seconds, a full 7 minutes faster than the previous competitor from the baseball team. We'll pause for a break and then we'll hear from Yanni for the next two competitors.
Ang one and only woman in the wildcard stage, Jazzy. What are you going to do to improve your speed here in the wildcard edition?
I will try to be more composed. Like, I was hesitant and I nakakakaba, but now I'll try to be more relaxed and maybe that'll make me faster.
And your energy is really showing calm, cool, and collected. Are you ready for the wildcard edition of the Sports Time Obstacle Course Race?
Yeah!
Alright, good luck!
Thank you!
Okay, salamat and welcome back to Sports Time. So, Yanni, thank you sa pagpapakilala mo sa ating participant para sa ating wildcard round. And this is Jazzy from the women's football team. So, Sir Bert, tunghayan na natin ang kanyang attempt.
Okay, so si Jazzy ay from the women's football team. Nakaraan lamang, nakita na natin ang kanyang performance. Tignan natin kung kaya niyang mag-beat.
So, Jazzy, when you look at her physique, is very, very lightweight. Dapat wala siya masyadong problema sa mga body lifting exercises. True enough, okay siya dun sa monkey bars natin. Wala rin problema masyado sa tricep dips.
So, nagkaroon siya ng problema dito sa pull-ups. Probably because lower body dominant yung kanyang sport. Yung lifting ng body weight niya ay medyo challenging para sa kanya.
Right, medyo Jazzy is not fast in terms of the transition from one obstacle to the next. No? Just the same, dito natin yung kanyang iko moves, walang problema. Tire, alternating tires, medyo may kaunting uncoordinated moves siya doon. Walang problema para sa rope climb sa wall natin, descending down into the tire section, wala rin problema. So second to the last obstacle, balance beam cleared. Now going to the last obstacle, which is the Palo Cebo climb. Okay, maganda naman ang kanyang technique dahil nakikita natin na-anchor niya yung kanyang feet, and then sinasabayan niya ng counting lift, pull ng kanyang overarm. Okay, and she Jazzy clears her last obstacle, and pakinggan natin ngayon ang maiksing interview ni Paeng sa ating lone female wildcard participant, si Jazzy from the women's level.
Kamusta? How was it a second time? Yeah. How was it the second time around?
More tiring, but I feel like I did better than my first run.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Was it anything more difficult or anything easier for you the second time?
I feel like I was more relaxed this time, so it was a little bit easier for me, and I kind of got used to it. So
There
yeah.
you go. That's like it. So I hope again, like I tell everyone, I hope time is in your favor and good luck, and maybe you'll make it to the next round.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Paeng. And now we are down to our last competitor. So Yani, let's hear it from you para sa introduction ng ating fifth and last wildcard entry.
Ready to show his props with me is Ram! Okay, Ram. Ano gagawin natin dito sa wildcard edition na natutunan mo sa unang round?
Kailangan nyo lang po maging tiwala sa sarili nyo para matapos nyo lahat ng obstacle.
Wow! So yan yung gagawin mo ngayon. Kumpiyansa lang.
Kumpiyansa lang po.
Okay, handa ka na ba, Ram?
Handa na, ready na.
Ready! Good luck!
Salamat, Yani, sa pagpapakilala sa ating fourth competitor, si Ram from the UP Baseball team. So Sir Bert, tunghayan na natin ang performance ni Ram.
Okay, sabi niya kanina ay tiwala. Sarili.
Okay, mabilis yung kanyang attempt from the monkey bars going to the tricep dip.
Strength, saka yung power dun sa movement niya. Explosive.
Okay, kayang-kaya niya yung kanyang body weight sa weight pulling obstacle natin, which is the pull-up bars. Mabilis din, seemingly, yung transition niya from one obstacle to the next. Walang masyadong nasasayang na oras, no?
Except for that, nagkaroon ng content.
Little confusion, no? Kung saan yung next obstacle niya. Pero naka-pick up na naman. Walang problema sa abdominal crunches obstacle. Walang problema sa coordination ng kanyang mga paa going through the peacock movements of the alternating tires. Okay, traversing the rope wall, okay. Pababa ngayon sa descent sa tires. Shortcut at pinalo na, no? So, I'm sure may mga save siya na time doon.
Mabilis din sa niya. Kanyang balance.
Generally, bilis ang kanyang speed sa lahat ng obstacles at sa transition phases.
Ang siya yata yung may pinaka-mabilis na time sa section ng
Kita natin later on, no? But so far, so good.
Maaaring isa siya sa mga mabibilis dito sa wildcard event. Tingnan natin kung tatalunin niya time.
Okay. So let's hear a short interview kay Paeng para kay Ram from the baseball team.
Oh, kamusta naman, pare?
Pagod na.
Pagod na.
Pagod na agad.
Pagod na agad. Okay lang yan. Tingin mo ba, kumpara sa first round mo, since second chance mo to, better performance?
I think better performance kasi parang mas mabilis ako ngayon. Kasi nung una, parang chill lang kasi ako eh.
Ngayon, competitive ka na. O sige, salamat pare. Good luck. Let's see if you'll make the next round. Thank you.
Ang tinakbo ni Ram doon sa kanyang attempt ay 1 minute and 48 seconds. So far, siya yung may second best time after Yulo, who posted 1 minute and 41 seconds earlier. So kilalanin natin ang ating last competitor, pagkatapos ng maiksing break na ito.
Ravi, ano sa tingin mo strategy mo coming into the race?
I think I'm the best good-looking athlete here, so I don't think there is no strategy that is needed for me to win this obstacle race. So.
Okay. So you think your good-lookingness will get you through the whole thing?
Yes, definitely.
Alright, handa ka na ba, Ravi, to go through our obstacle course race?
Handa na.
Alright, good luck!
Final competitor, and we're back, Sir Bert. Now we have Ravi from the men's fencing team. So ito na, makikita na natin ang attempt ni Ravi.
Pansin natin na itong event na ito, mas serious yung mga players, di ba?
Tama. True enough, katulad ng nasabi natin kanina, mukhang pinagpapahalagahan nila yung kanilang second chance that was given to them.
Yes.
Kasi para for the benefit of our viewers, itong ating ginagawang special wildcard round ay mula sa mga losing competitors but registered the next fastest time dun sa mga episode winners. So ayan na si Ravi, kaunting difficulty sa pull-up bars.
Pansin yung event niya din sa bars. Actually, hindi siya masyadong napagod para din sa mga parang
Okay, walang problema sa chest press machine. Now going to the abdominal crunches. Again, another few seconds of delay there. Ito na naman, may kaunting showmanship na naman si Ravi sa atin. Yung kanyang abdominal crunches with 2 crossover punch pa. No? So again, doing the obstacles with some flair. Si Ravi from the fencing team. Okay, clearing the rope portion of our wall climb. Walang problema. Kompleto ng smiles para sa ating camera. Ayan, kaunting nagkaroon siya ng delay doon, no? Somehow he lost his bearing. Going up from the tire, from the rope and descending in the tire section. Okay, losing his balance but regaining midway is Ravi. And going to the last obstacle, which is the Palo Cebo climb.
nagsistruggle siya ngayon dito sa goal.
Not as fast.
Not as fast as yung first attempt niya.
Okay, so let's hear the short interview by Paeng kay Ravi from the fencing team.
Oh, how was your run naman?
It was great. I looked fantastic.
Oh, what did you find at least, well, the most difficult naman?
I think now the most difficult is this one still.
Still?
The pole.
Why?
Because it was a tough pole to climb, very slippy, very thick, and not that much of a pole climber, so.
I don't. How about based on your fencing training and your fencing program, what was the least challenging or the easiest one for you?
I think a lot of the obstacles were too easy, but the balancing pole,
Yeah?
that was the easiest.
Okay. It looked like it. Thank you. And I hope you
you very
enjoyed
much,
your
sir.
run. Hope you enjoyed your run.
From our 5 competitors, ang ating 2 fastest elapsed time ay si Yulo from the fencing team, which posted 1 minute and 41 seconds, and the second fastest time is Ram from the men's baseball team, who posted the time of 1 minute and 48 seconds, .42. So, ang dalawang competitors nito, si Yulo at at si Ram ang mag-a-advance para sa semi-final phases ng ating obstacle course competition. So, Sir Bert, paalam tayo muli sa episode na ito.
Hanggang sa susunod po na episode. Maraming salamat sa panonood.
Thank you, and back to you, Paeng and Diani.
Ayun na nga mga esports timers, we just finished the wild card edition of our obstacle course race. Grabe, the competition is high, the tension is also at a peak. Paeng, what were the highlights o sino yung nakita mo talaga nag-stand out?
Nakaka-high blood nga talaga yung competition na to. Pero out of the two winners, I wanna talk about Ram. Baseball, freshman, but he did not show it. He showed us that he was a veteran. Kayo ba? Who stood out?
Well, of course, we gotta talk about Yulo. Changing up his entire dynamic to tackle this course. Nakita nga natin nung una, medyo personality, fun, nagpo-post pa siya. Pero here in the second time around, talagang pinakita niya na gusto niya to come out on top for our sports time obstacle course race. But speaking of obstacle course race, let's see what our next episode will have in store. Ito ang
Esports Time!